Hello, my name is David White. I'm a Director Vision Consultant. Right, so a company is a separate legal entity. They are owned by shareholders. They are run by directors. Those do not need to be the same people. So to ensure the directors do not do things the shareholders are not aware of, companies have to file publicly available company accounts, and the auditor's job is to check that those accounts are reasonably correct. So the biggest misconception is that it's a box-ticking exercise. It can be a box-ticking exercise, but it's possible to get value out of an audit. At the end of the day, the auditor is coming to try and confirm that the figures are correct. They will try and give you advice, and it is good to, they are experts, they see lots of finances, and it doesn't have to be a burden, it can be an asset. It's always harder if the directors and people running the company don't understand the company. So generally, at the start of an audit, we ask, well, how's your last financial year been? Yeah. And then we try and work out, do the figures look reasonable based on that at the very high level. We do far more detailed checks than that, but just at a high level, yeah, how is the business going? And therefore, do the numbers look reasonable? And sometimes the directors have no idea what's been going on. And that, A, is problematic from an audit point of view, because we have to work out, are the figures reasonable without any kind of guidance? And secondly, if you're running a company and you've no idea how that company is doing, then you're not going to make very good decisions for that company. And so it's a red flag, not just for audit, but running the business in general. I can't remember how significant it was, but I do remember on at least one occasion where we've flagged up in the course of an audit that the same invoices were going through multiple times, and it meant that there was, I can't remember if they had overpaid or they were about to overpay, but because they were paying invoices more than once, obviously that was doubling up the cost, and that was resolved. And I think it was quite a significant size invoice that they were trying to pay twice. We have a back office function in Pakistan, which helps keep costs low. Unfortunately, many people consider large audit to be a burden, and if we can cut the cost of audit, we can cut the burden to a large extent. We have people in the UK who deal with the higher level issues, but the ticking and bashing could be done just as well in Pakistan as the UK, and a lot more cheaply.